Welcome everyone. Hope you all are doing great. I am Shubham from Henry Harvin Education. Today we have Miss Priyanshi Jain, who is a content writer. I would like to welcome you, Miss Priyanshi, and thanks a lot for giving your time. So Priyanshi, could you please introduce yourself?
Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Priyanshi Jain and I live in Delhi. And if I talk about myself as a person, for me, choosing things in life and doing things about in life was a big decision, I would say. I was a person and I'm still a person who is very much confused, I would say. So deciding what all things are supposed to be done in future and currently was the biggest thing for me. So if I talk about my educational things and myself, so I have done my graduation in home science, and then I have done my certification in digital marketing course. Then I have done my master's in advertising and public relations, and currently I am doing my master's in MBA in from NMMIS into marketing field.
Wow, that's really great. Priyanshi, may I know your professional background?
So my professional background is currently, which I have, thought working as a content writer, digital content writer. So I am providing content for the website for both on page and off page. I was even working as a content writer for a period of time at ads and URL. So from that profession, I have learned more about this field, content writer as a whole. So there are many things which a content writer have to keep in notice, which is how you are updating your content on day-to-day basis. And there are many other fields of writing as well. If you talk about technical, then medical, then creative. So the genre I was writing content was for creative a little bit, and then I was also providing content for social media as well. So this
Okay,
was my altogether professional background I was working for as together.
that's really good. Uh, okay, so Priyanshi, which course you have completed from Henry Harvin Education?
So I have completed my course of certified digital content writer from Henry Harvin Education. So yeah,
Okay.
I have learned many new things. I mean I have also learned a few things were there which I have already done during my certification course of digital marketing. But this was typically targeting to content writing. So beginning from the most basic thing which a content writer should know is your grammar and punctuation skills. So
Yeah.
I was always a person who gets little bit haphazard in grammar and punctuations. So beginning from the training, the thing which I actually made myself much more better into was communication, sorry, the grammar skills and the punctuation skills, like how
Okay.
the sentence is supposed to fragment it, design, everything. From the beginning itself, the core concepts were getting clearer to me. So
Okay.
yeah.
That's really great. So, how was your training like all about? How was the feedback? What is the feedback?
So I would say training, starting from the beginning itself, moving towards the end, I have learned various new things. Like I have learned basic things about what is SEO optimization, then how you are supposed to do the keyword research, how you can apply for content writing jobs. You can work as a freelancer. You can even start up with your own blogging or any website where you can update your content. So yeah, I have learned many new things which I wanted to explore in future, and I'm still working upon it. Like for me, updating my LinkedIn profile was a big thing. I am a person who is not good at social media marketing. Updating my content. I am good at updating at others. Like if I have been given a task to update a content for a company, I'm good at it. But when it
Okay.
comes to my own profile, it was a big task for me. So yeah, updating my own profile was a big achievement, I would say, from this course which I have learned from so far it. And for the training, I have got to know about many tools I have covered. Like there were n number of tools which were being covered in the training. There were many presentations, and then content was also much valuable, which I received from the training of the digital content writing. So yeah, altogether training was very much, it was a fun in training for me, not a boring one. So because I have learned so many things and I'm still applying it. So yeah, it was altogether a fun training for me.
Perfect. So, what is your success mantra?
So success mantra, I would actually like to quote it from one of the movie, if you are all aware of, which is Three Idiots, which is, Amir Khan has already mentioned that never ever, success के पीछे मत भागो, excellence का पीछा करो, success झक मार के तुम्हारे पीछे आएगी. So
Wow,
this is
that's really great.
success
That's really great.
mantra. Never ever, run behind all your achievements, good things in life. Just do whatever, give your 100%, whatever thing you are doing, be it writing, be it, if you are even learning a course, if you are doing studies, anything you are doing in your life, just make sure that you are giving your 100% into it. Don't just look after and run behind the results. Like I have to gain, 100%, a perfect 100 score, beat your exams. Never just study for the sake of percentage or results, I would say. The most important thing, which is your learning process, matters the most. If you are learning new things, if you are gaining much new concepts on your day-to-day basis, that would be the best result and best thing, success achievement in your life, I would say. So yeah.
Wow, that's really great. So, Priyanshi, what will be your advice for future aspirants?
Once again, my advice, which I have from the success I have learned, that just give your 100%, whatever you are doing in your life, be it if you are doing your graduation, your masters, if you're doing even a short-term course from Henry Harvin itself, your small steps taken and your small things could be, lead to a big, much better, I would say, results in future and big achievements. So just never run behind the success and result factor always. Just work hard on whatever you are doing in your present life, I would say. So that would be my advice to all our future aspirants, that just focus on what you are doing currently in your life and what you want to be in your life. Just focus on those things. Never just run after the results and achievement phase, so forth.
That's really great. Thank you, Priyanshi. It was really a great time that we had. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Okay.